The AI teaches the kids, learns from the kids, and that will also create the national models for every country. This will be different. So that technology scales. Again, there's nothing more as impactful as one-to-one tuition, and now we can do it in an empathetic way that adapts to each child. So it's just information processing. We're doing a big drive towards that. Any information processing issues will be solved by this.
So it's completely customized learning for the individual, their favorite color, sports star, way of learning modality, knows exactly where they are and where they need to go.
So we're going to open source our new language models in next month, and then we're going to announce the next generation of this. An open model for all of the world that you deserve for education and healthcare and other things, because humans are humans.
Yes?
This is why I kind of did the kayak project. This is the great equalizer, or it's the great controller. We have to distribute this because I believe this is a human right.
So, speaking about that, we're in the middle of the AI wars. And a little rumor told me that you got kicked off LinkedIn today. Who owns LinkedIn, by the way?
And our motto is not don't be evil, it's make people happier. Let everyone have their own agency and create insane things.
On that note, let's give it up for Iman Mustak.
Cool.